Well, welcome to the K-pop Q&A Part 2. I'm still answering questions from Discord and the live studio audience.
Hi.
If you want to put questions for a future Q&A, there is a comment section below this video, unless YouTube has changed their interface again. I don't know. Maybe. I have definitely considered that and probably will at some point. So the root of taco in modern K-pop is meth kib sajin thug bath, which is believed to come from the middle K-pop Kim says Jin Thug Ba. The initial meth is from a fossilized relevance to society prefix. Well, for imitating animal sounds, they tend to use the hat that they consider to most resemble the top of the head of the animal in question. So ducks, for example, use baseball cap because it kind of looks like a bit duckbill. And if you try to imitate the sound of a pangolin, you will of course use pangolin, also many other animals of that general shape. I have yet to see onomatopoeia with a top hat. And then I think I've seen the sound a cat makes being The only onomatopoeia that I have encountered is animal noises, and they do occasionally show up as interjections. They do also show up as, get conjugated as nouns and verbs on occasion. So like, can be the verb meaning to make the sound a cat makes, and then has all the normal endings after that. Well, there is the head, shoulders, knees, and toes song, which is also on this channel. There are other songs. I have seen a couple of dances. It is relatively rare to sing and dance at the same time, but people with excellent acrobatic ability and hand-eye coordination have done it. Not if you need to be actually using your hands for the cookies. If you have one hand free, you could probably manipulate the hats still and just speak slowly. But yeah, if both of your hands are occupied, it becomes very difficult to speak.
That's when you need one of those patented hat rotator things.
It definitely takes young children a while to get the motor control necessary for, like, and also manipulating hats in general. Also, the distinction between left click and right click takes a bit to develop.
If you were wearing you happened to be wearing, maybe you were speaking or you were wearing a shade hat, and you happened to make a sound that wasn't part of a word, like a yelp or something, like, Could that be misunderstood as being part of the word? And how would that affect things?
Well, in the same way that a yelp in the middle of a word might be misinterpreted anywhere else.
Do the hats change the meaning of screams of terror, though? Like, a pigeon has just attacked my face. And I happen to be wearing a top hat. If someone did not see the pigeon attacking my face, what would they think I was going on about?
I would rather just include the question and not me answering.
Well, that could be a blooper then, and you could just not answer.
I have considered it, but I'm not totally sure what people would be interested in. If there is particular merchandise you would like to see, there are comments below that you can put comments in.